dream to Jamaica is to see more investment, something done to the young people, a building that we can do, stuff with, because the young people have nothing to do. That's why they stand on the corner, roll their hand.
We must provide opportunities for vulnerable youth to get another chance to become productive citizens. We must provide them with access to training, to mentorship, to remedial education and job placements. We must reinforce their life skills, build their self-esteem, give them a sense of citizenship and belonging in this society. There is no way to build a Jamaican dream unless we tackle these issues with a bold and comprehensive national policy. The next PNP administration will help our students to step up in our life and participate in the Jamaican dream.